Hello guys, Steve here, Shen I'm at the Kyosho Hellcat. We got fresh tar in front of the house for once in who knows how many years. They just did it today. It's like 90 something in the shade right now. It was over 100. I'm gonna take this sucker out and try it because I have nowhere to run this thing. There may be kids outside screaming and all sorts of stuff, but I'm gonna hit it with this amp a little bit. Wipe her down. And we're gonna go run it. She's been sitting on the shelf for a good long time. So should be fun. It's probably gonna be slippery though because the tar's new, but it should be smooth. So it should be fun. Beauty. I'll be able to burn some Dodge rubber on this new tar. Alright guys, there she is. I'll see you outside. Alright guys, here it is on the fresh tar. The miracle. Oh, it's smooth. Oh. Never had smooth tar like this in a long time. Oh, oh it's like glass. Look at the handling. Oh, it sure is nice to have a new car. Only lasts for a year though. Oh, it's slick though. Still hitting something up there. My tires are going bad. As smooth as it gets, guys. Steering shim's off. Going a little to the left. Let's see. Oh, wrong way. It's so sticky, the tar. That my feet is sticking to it. Nice. It's actually dripping pretty good. Hear it? It's dripping pretty damn good. I'll come down and hear the tires. Oh! Lost it. Reckless driving. Whoa, getting dizzy there. Alright guys, that's it. Fun times on smooth tar. It's a beauty. Hope you like this. Subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Later.